Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to change your Twitch name. I will show you this as quick as possible, so let's start with this tutorial. Alright, if you go to right in the top to your profile and go to settings, we have the option add profile settings to change our display name and our username just right here. If you click on the pen, there it says username updates can be performed once every 60 days. So keep in mind, if you change your name, you need to wait 60 days. The update takes effect immediately and it will affect how followers recognize you. Flex's YouTube will be released back into the pool, available usernames after alright. So after 6 months that you change your username, the username that you changed will be free for use on Twitch. So right now I fill in Flex's YouTube 1. This name is available, and if I do update just right now, I changed my username. Alright, this is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.